How to add Costco Citi Card to Apple Pay or Google Wallet. Hello everybody. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process how to do so. So let's just get started. Right now I am since on Android, I'm going to show you on Google Wallet. You can look out for similar options and basically add a card of your Costco Citi to Apple Pay as well. So once you are in Google Wallet application, what you need to do is you can add the card directly from the add to wallet section option within your Google Wallet. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will be finding different options available to add your card. So we have payment card, transit pass, loyalty gift card that we can add to our wallet. What we're going to do is tap on payment card, tap on it, and once we tap on it, here we will be finding all of our payments, and including that we will be finding option called new credit or debit card. You can just go ahead and tap on that option right here since we are adding the Costco Citi card. Once you add it up, you need to just go ahead and provide in every details they will be asking, and then you will be prompted to authenticate, potential with a one-time password. Once that is done, you need to agree to the terms and conditions within your bank as well as Google Wallet. So you can just go ahead and scroll down from the given options, and once you scroll down, you can look out for accept option. Just go ahead and tap on it, and after that is done, you can just go ahead and make default, like go on with the verification process and make Costco Kitty Citi card as default for contactless, and ensure that your Costco membership is linked to your Citi card and that your membership is current. And that way, you can add Costco Citi card to Apple Pay or Google Wallet. And Costco accepts various payment methods, including Visa cards, Citi. For now, we are using Citi, so you can use that option. If you're getting encounter issues, you can consult support resources for Apple Pay or Google Wallet, and that's it. So therefore, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.